The world of cryptocurrency finds itself once again entangled with the long arm of the law. This time it's Elon Musk, the enigmatic CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, facing a legal battle of astronomical proportions. A group of investors has filed a staggering $258 billion lawsuit against Musk, alleging that he used his immense influence to manipulate the price of Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that started as an internet meme. The lawsuit, filed in a New York federal court, claims that Musk engaged in a deliberate scheme to inflate the value of Dogecoin, only to later let it crash, leaving countless investors nursing heavy losses. This alleged scheme, the plaintiffs argue, constitutes a classic pyramid scheme, where early investors profit at the expense of those who buy in later. The lawsuit has sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency community and beyond. It raises fundamental questions about the role of social media influencers in the volatile world of digital assets. With Musk's massive online following and his penchant for cryptic tweets that move markets, the case has attracted intense scrutiny from regulators, investors, and the general public alike. The outcome of this legal battle could have far-reaching consequences for the future of cryptocurrency regulation. If successful, it could set a precedent for holding individuals accountable for their actions in the largely unregulated digital Wild West. At the heart of the lawsuit are allegations that Musk used his Twitter megaphone to artificially inflate the price of Dogecoin. Musk, a self-proclaimed Doge father, has long been a vocal supporter of the meme-based cryptocurrency. His tweets about Dogecoin, often laced with humor and internet slang, have been known to send its price soaring. The investors allege that Musk's tweets were not merely expressions of personal enthusiasm, but rather calculated moves to drive up the price of Dogecoin, which he and his companies had allegedly accumulated in vast quantities. They point to instances where Musk's tweets coincided with significant price jumps in Dogecoin, suggesting a direct correlation between his words and market movements. Furthermore, the lawsuit alleges that Musk used his appearances on high-profile platforms, such as Saturday Night Live, to promote Dogecoin to a wider audience, further fueling its price surge. His SNL skit, in which he played a character struggling to explain Dogecoin, became a viral sensation, introducing the cryptocurrency to millions who had never heard of it before. The plaintiffs argue that Musk's actions created a false sense of security around Dogecoin, leading investors to believe that its price would continue to rise indefinitely. This, they claim, was part of a deliberate strategy to lure in unsuspecting investors and create a massive bubble that Musk and his associates could profit from. As the lawsuit against Elon Musk unfolds, a peculiar incident has emerged, casting a shadow of suspicion over the proceedings. At the center of this controversy is the deletion of a Twitter account @XAI, which allegedly belonged to Musk's team. This seemingly innocuous act has raised serious concerns about potential evidence tampering, throwing a wrench into the legal machinery. The @XAI account, according to the plaintiffs, held crucial evidence pertaining to Musk's dealings with Dogecoin. They allege that the account contained communications between Musk and his associates, market analysis, and other sensitive information that could prove instrumental in establishing their case. The timing of the account's deletion has further fueled suspicions. It was deleted shortly after the court issued a preservation order, which legally obligated Musk and his team to preserve all potentially relevant evidence related to the lawsuit. This sequence of events has led the plaintiffs to accuse Musk's team of intentionally destroying evidence to hinder the legal process. The deletion of the @XAI account has added a new layer of complexity to the already intricate legal battle. It has raised questions about the extent of Musk's involvement in the alleged Dogecoin scheme, and whether he or his team attempted to cover their tracks by deleting potentially incriminating evidence. The courtroom drama intensified as the plaintiffs accused Musk's team of blatantly disregarding the court's preservation order. This order, a standard legal tool used to ensure the integrity of evidence in a lawsuit, explicitly instructed Musk and his team to preserve all documents, communications, and data related to the Dogecoin case. The plaintiffs argue that the deletion of the @XAI account constitutes a clear violation of the preservation order. They contend that Musk's team was well aware of the order and its implications, but chose to delete the account anyway, demonstrating a blatant disregard for the court's authority. The deletion of the @XAI account has put Musk's team on the defensive, forcing them to explain why the account was deleted despite the preservation order. The plaintiffs have seized on this opportunity, portraying it as evidence of guilt and an attempt to obstruct justice. The stakes are high for Musk and his team. If the court finds that they willfully violated the preservation order, it could have severe consequences, including sanctions, fines, and even a negative inference instruction to the jury, which would allow them to assume that the deleted evidence was unfavorable to Musk's case. Section 5. Judge Hellerstein's Dilemma: Sanctions or a Slap on the Wrist. The fate of Elon Musk's legal team now rests in the hands of Judge Alvin Hellerstein, the presiding judge in the Dogecoin lawsuit. Judge Hellerstein, known for his sharp intellect and no-nonsense approach, faces the unenviable task of determining whether Musk's team intentionally deleted the @XAI account in violation of the court's preservation order. The gravity of the situation is not lost on Judge Hellerstein. He has expressed deep concern over the account's deletion, questioning Musk's team's commitment to transparency and their respect for the court's authority. The judge has made it clear that he takes preservation orders very seriously and will not hesitate to impose sanctions if he believes that a party has acted in bad faith. Judge Hellerstein's decision carries immense weight. If he rules that Musk's team intentionally deleted evidence, it could deal a significant blow to their credibility and bolster the plaintiff's case. On the other hand, if he accepts Musk's team's explanation, it could diffuse a potentially explosive situation and allow the lawsuit to proceed without further distractions. The legal community and the cryptocurrency world are watching Judge Hellerstein's next move with bated breath. His decision will not only impact the outcome of this high-stakes lawsuit but could also set a precedent for how courts handle allegations of evidence tampering in the digital age. Section 6. Musk's Defense: A Rebranding Effort or a Calculated Move. Facing mounting pressure and the specter of sanctions, Elon Musk's legal team has gone on the offensive, offering a carefully crafted defense of their actions. They argue that the deletion of the @XAI account was not an attempt to destroy evidence, but rather part of a routine rebranding effort, entirely unrelated to the Dogecoin lawsuit. Musk's lawyers contend that the @XAI account was associated with an artificial intelligence project that was being rebranded. They claim that the account was deleted as part of this rebranding process, along with other accounts and online assets, and that its deletion was planned long before the preservation order was issued. Furthermore, Musk's team asserts that the @XAI account contained no relevant information to the Dogecoin case. They argue that the account was primarily used for internal communications among the AI team and did not contain any discussions about Dogecoin, market manipulation, or any other topics related to the lawsuit. Musk's lawyers have also accused the plaintiffs of blowing the incident out of proportion, claiming that they are trying to create a mountain out of a molehill to gain leverage in the lawsuit. They maintain that Musk and his team have complied fully with the preservation order and have turned over all relevant documents and data. Section 7. The Spectre of Spoliation. Did Musk's team delete crucial evidence? Looming over the legal proceedings is the specter of spoliation, a legal term referring to the intentional destruction or alteration of evidence relevant to a legal case. The plaintiffs allege that Musk's team engaged in spoliation by deleting the @XAI account, which they believe contained damning evidence that could prove their case. Spoliation is a serious offense, often viewed as an obstruction of justice. Courts take a dim view of any action that could compromise the integrity of evidence and hinder the truth-seeking process. If a party is found to have engaged in spoliation, the court can impose a range of sanctions, from monetary fines to adverse inference instructions to the jury, which could severely prejudice the case of the spoliating party. The plaintiffs argue that the deletion of the @XAI account meets the criteria for spoliation. They contend that Musk's team had a duty to preserve the account under the court's preservation order, that the account contained relevant evidence, and that it was deleted with the intent to deprive the plaintiffs of access to that evidence. Musk's team vehemently denies these allegations, maintaining that the account deletion was part of a legitimate rebranding effort, and that the account contained no relevant information to the Dogecoin case. They argue that the plaintiffs have failed to provide any concrete evidence to support their spoliation claim, and that their accusations are based on speculation and conjecture. Section 8. The Wider Implications. Will this case shape cryptocurrency regulation? The lawsuit against Elon Musk and the controversy surrounding the deleted XAI account have broader implications that extend far beyond the parties involved. The case has put a spotlight on the Wild West nature of the cryptocurrency industry, its susceptibility to market manipulation, and the challenges of regulating a decentralized and rapidly evolving technology. The outcome of this lawsuit could have significant repercussions for the future of cryptocurrency regulation. If the plaintiffs are successful in proving that Musk used his influence to manipulate the price of Dogecoin, it could embolden regulators to take a more active role in overseeing the cryptocurrency market. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, balancing the need to protect investors and prevent illicit activities with the desire to foster innovation. The Musk case could provide valuable insights into the risks posed by social media influencers in the cryptocurrency space, and the need for clearer guidelines on market manipulation. The lawsuit has also highlighted the challenges of gathering evidence in the digital age, particularly when it comes to social media accounts and other online platforms. The deletion of the @XAI account has raised questions about the effectiveness of preservation orders in the digital realm, and the need for stronger mechanisms to ensure the integrity of evidence in online spaces. Section 9. The future of Dogecoin uncertainty reigns as the legal battle rages on. As the legal battle between Elon Musk and the aggrieved investors rages on, the future of Dogecoin hangs in the balance. The once jovial meme coin, propelled to astronomical heights by Musk's endorsements, now finds itself mired in uncertainty, its fate intertwined with the outcome of this landmark case. The lawsuit has cast a long shadow over Dogecoin, raising doubts about its long-term viability. Investors, once eager to ride the Musk-fueled wave, are now wary, uncertain if Dogecoin can regain its footing amidst the legal turmoil and the specter of stricter regulations. The outcome of the lawsuit could have a profound impact on Dogecoin's future. If Musk is found liable for market manipulation, it could erode trust in the coin, leading to a mass exodus of investors and a precipitous decline in its value. Conversely, a victory for Musk could restore confidence in Dogecoin, potentially propelling it to new heights. However, even if Musk prevails in court, Dogecoin's future remains uncertain. The lawsuit has exposed the inherent volatility of meme coins, their susceptibility to manipulation, and the risks associated with investing in assets driven by hype and speculation.